Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I'm studying 9th class in Matman High School, Vijayawada. Today, I'm here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 25th June 2021. The two topics that were given in our today's editorial page are stopping the surge and deserving winners. Today, we'll discuss the first topic in our video. So just let's have a small look on the second topic. Deserving winners. New Zealand did well to win the Test Championship in spite of time lost to rain. Okay, means New Zealand almost won the Test in the championship, but due to the rain they lost their match. Okay, means they are the means New Zealand has to deserve the winning contest, but due to the rains they lost it. Means that match has cancelled and they did not won. Okay, so this means about the loss of their championship. That's in the second topic, and let's get into our today's topic. Stopping the surge. Governments should unlock using good evidence on how to avoid another COVID-19 wave. Okay, stopping the surge, it means stopping the increase of the COVID cases. Okay, means the increasing level of the COVID cases that has to be stopped. Okay, stopping the surge in a sense. Now the governments also has to use the good evidence to avoid the COVID-19 wave. Another means the second COVID-19 wave they have to avoid, right? After a debilitating second wave of COVID-19, cash-strapped state governments have responded to falling cases with a swift unlock program in most districts. Okay, see here the word debilitating, it means weakening, cripple or impairing or waning. Waning. Okay, debilitating, it means weakening, cripple, impairing or waning. Okay, means there was also after the weakening of the second wave of the COVID-19, so the state governments have responded for the cases that were falling now in the program and in some more districts. Okay, in most of the districts the cases were falling down. Okay, some states have opted to the floodgates, allowing dine in restaurants, gymnasia and shops and religious centers in areas with low test positivity for the coronavirus. Okay, means now some states have opened everything, means like recently Telangana, means even there's no lockdown in Telangana now and schools may be open, offices, schools and everything. Means also in some areas or like villages or some cities, the restaurants, okay, shops, floodgates, means everything, gymnasia, means gym centers, everything has opened now with testing the less positivity. Means they have negative, they can enter the shops or they can enter the gyms and they can exercise them or they can practice more. Lockdown weary citizens on their sort have greeted the reopening with road trips to tourist sites, even traveling across interstate borders. Okay, see here the word weary, it means very tired, exhausted, fatigue or feeble. Okay, weary means very tired, exhausted, fatigued or feeble. Okay, means the after lockdown, in lockdown many people were very tired, means they were exhausted, means they all used to stay, right, citizens. So they have greeted the opening of their trips, means they have reopened the road trips, means we can go to the tourist centers and we can even travel across the interstate borders. Means in our state we can travel, not in other states. Okay, this is not for the deja vu moment, worryingly similar to the misplaced optimism following the first wave is a time for caution to avoid the missteps that produce the deadly second wave. Okay, see here, deja vu, it means it is illusion or hallucination. The illusion moment or the hallucination moment that was taken place, it's called as deja vu. Okay, means this is not for the people who makes illusions and who believes in the hallucinations, because it is wrongly misplaced. Means for the first wave it is wrong, so there is a caution to avoid some mistakes that were taken to the second wave. Okay, and already Maharashtra has expressed worry that there is a noticeable rise in cases in just a week. The experience of other states will soon be known. Okay, means now Maharashtra has also experienced, means they have also worried about the cases that was raised in within a week, that was raised in high amount within a week, and they are also saying that the other state, the experiences of other states, means how the rises of COVID cases were there, and everything will be soon known to us. There is a lot to be concerned about, since the highly transmissible Delta variant of the virus that overran citizens and rural areas in April, May continues to threaten unvaccinated populations, senior citizens, and people with weak immunity in particular. Okay, means now they are going to take a lot concern about the people, means about the virus that was placed in the cities or rural areas in April, May, and it also continues for the population, means the people who were not vaccinated still. Means it means if we take vaccine, it may not attack us. The people who were unvaccinated, they have a threat of attacking by the virus. So the senior citizens and the people, they are taking more care. Okay, so there's a lot care by taking the people who have the less immunity or who are not vaccinated still. The likely risk for children also causes apprehension that it has morphed into a Delta Plus variant through a fresh mutation underscores the need for greater vigilance. Okay, means here, okay, see here the word anguish, it means great mental pain or suffering. Great mental pain or suffering overran, invade, storm, or occupy. Okay, and morphed means to copy, deform, or distort. Okay, so morphed, we usually say, right, he morphed my photos or everything. So similarly for the children, even for the children, there were many causes to attack by coronavirus if they were not vaccinated. So there were many copies, means there were many disforms of the variant. Means now in the first wave it's virus, in the second wave it's like another wave, or like in the third wave it may come as, now we are seeing black fungus. So many variants, means in different variants and different copies it was transforming into others. So virus hasn't came into one form, it was disformed, means it doesn't have any form, it spreads world. Okay, and it underscores for many disturbances. With the unprecedented knowledge base created in just over a year on COVID-19, governments have the resources to plan finely tuned reopening strategies. The current consensus on preventing spread, as WHO points out, is to avoid the 3 C's: crowded places, close contact settings, and confined and enclosed spaces. Okay, means with with the new and the foreseen before knowledge, we have created that over a year, that coronavirus, the government has now finally they have taken up some strategies. That is, the WHO points to avoid the 3 C's. Means like not like 3 R's, the 3 C's, that is, we should not go into the crowded places, and we should be like maintaining the social distance. We should not have a close contact settings, means we should not go close contact like giving shake hands or standing front to front. Okay, and we should be away from the enclosed places. We should go to the enclosed places, means not to the crowded. Okay, the intersection of these is the most dangerous, and relaxations given by some states fall within the red zone. Dine-in restaurants, cultural performances, shops and social events in enclosed places. Okay, see here, intersections, it means the word, okay, means going away or meeting, convergence or crossing. Okay, and consensus, it means agreement, harmony or concord. Okay, so there is a lot we have to take more care about us, and even we have to take ourselves into the right position. And there is a even they divide into the red zone, that way the dining in the restaurants, the shops, social events and cultural programs that were taken only in the enclosed places, not in the crowded places. Okay, and the center is cautious this time, warning of a third wave, but the imperative is to open windows of activity gradually without dropping the ball on safety. Okay, means the center now is warning, giving a strict warning that we passed first wave, second wave, and now it is third wave. We should take more precautions and we should be more safety, taking more care upon us. Okay, so this is our today's topic. Thank you.